To control Ziro using your mobile device, you need to turn on the modules, go to the Wi-Fi list on your mobile device, and look for the Wi-Fi named module-yourkitid-00, as you can see in this video. The password is ZiroKits in lowercase. After we successfully connect to the module, we open the Ziro app. We go to Mobile Control and then select Rover Robot. And we should now be able to control our Rover. We use the arrows to control the Rover forward, backward, left, and right, and we can use the slider to change the speed. If I want to go faster, I can move the slider to the right, or if I want to go slower, I move it to the left. If we want, we can go really slow, or we can go really fast. And this is how you control Ziro using the mobile device.